Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you this beautiful spring toenail tutorial. I hope that you like it. Let's begin. The first step is to make sure that we get all that roughness off your feet, and for that I will be using this sander. I bought it a while ago. It is a battery operated type of file, or you can also use a hand file like this one. Right after that, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on each toenail, and I will be using this bit. It is a safe bit. Practically what I'm gonna do is to make sure that I get all that dead skin around the nail, like so. I forgot to mention that I am doing all of these steps with dry feet, but you can do the soaking process if you like. Right after I'm done with this bead, I'm gonna change to a different bead, and practically what I'm gonna do is to work around each toe, and in this case I will be focusing on the skin. I do have dry skin around my toes, so I will be also using a hand file to make sure that everything is nice and smooth, and at the same time I will also be shaping each one of my toenails like so.
And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off.
And I will be going back and forth with the bid and the hand file until I'm pleased with the results. You know, I see this kind of like blending everything out, and you know, sometimes you gotta go back and forth until you are happy with the results. Then I will be spraying with alcohol, and then I will be using these nippers just to, you know, remove any dead skin that might be there. Right after that, once again, I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything up. And here I'm working on my other foot, so same steps. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch that. Then I will be using a tool just to make sure that my toenail is clean, and I will be removing any dirt underneath the nail. Now it is time to work on my gel polish, and I will be using a white color today. Now do not forget to use that toe separators, because if you're anything like me, yeah, they like to hug each other, and then it's gonna mess up your polish. Now you might make mistakes here and there. Don't worry, you can always clean it up with some alcohol. Like here you see me using this wooden tool, and I'm just dipped it in some alcohol and just cleaned it like so. And then I will be curing for 30 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat, and once again, it's not gonna be perfect, it's okay. And I will be curing for another 30 seconds.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more.
Now that everything is nice and cured, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the toe separator, and I'm gonna go ahead and start using my hand file just to remove any polish that might have gotten on the skin section. And also I will be using some alcohol and just clean it as I go. if you happen to have polish on unwanted areas and they're very tiny to get, you can always go back to your drill and use a smaller bit to remove any unwanted polish. And of course, you can also go back to your hand file. Then you will be using a top coat, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on all the toenails, and I will be curing for another 30 seconds. Once everything is cured, I will be once again spraying with alcohol and wiping everything out. And I did have these stickers on hand, and I'm sorry, for some reason I did not record how to apply them, but it's very simple. It is like a sticker. Just remove it from the actual sheet and apply it on your nail, and that is pretty much it. Here I'm just making sure that the sticker is pressed on correctly, and now I'm just applying another top coat, and once again cure for another 30 seconds. Once you're done curing, then you will wipe one more time with alcohol. And yeah, this is a wax warmer. This is a great wax warmer. I do have a video on this machine. I will be leaving the actual review on the description box if you are interested. And yeah, you gotta remove those hairs on those toes, just like that. Then I will be applying some lotion and cuticle oil, and you are done. This is the final result. It looks beautiful, it looks fresh. I hope that you like this video, and like always, I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Adios.